Hi, I'm Chef Collin Brown. I'm here at Cottons Notting Hill. We are doing the Taste of the Caribbean campaign with Kenwood Travels in partnership with British Airways. We are going to be doing some fantastic Caribbean food. Please follow me to the kitchen. Right, today I'm going to show you how to make jerk chicken from scratch. This is a traditional Jamaican dish, and what people never tend to show you is how to make the marinade and get it up to the process. Because every time someone shows you, they never show you how to make it from the beginning until the end. So, first thing we're going to do, get your blender. These are the ingredients. We're going to put all of this together in the blender and we will blend it together. Then we use it to marinate the chicken and then we go get cooking. You pour in some water like that. Put this on. You just try it, yeah? Whew. Now this is jerk. We're just gonna bang some of this out and you just coat this with it beautifully. So we put this on the grill and you just go like, go mister.
Yeah, I have one question.
And you leave this to just roast on this side and you keep turning, keep turning. This reminds me of growing up on the street, you know, me and my friends just making this. Oh, there is jerk chicken now. Nice and beautiful, just the way it's supposed to be. Now we're gonna be making coconut dumpling. That's from St. Kitts. I mean, because we're doing this promotion for all over the Caribbean. You have St. Kitts, Barbados, St. Lucia, Jamaica, Grenada. The coconut flakes gonna give it that rich coconutty flavor. And then you mix all of this together. And then you have this wonderful dough. It's ready to go. And you roll it. This is how you do it. You just put in, you just fry it, 5 minutes, and you have some wonderful dumplings. I was traveling in British Airways to the Caribbean, and the food, I must say, the food was amazing on it. So I have to give a big shout out to them for this. Now for the good bits. You should try this. Have a bite. Now, the last thing to do is just enjoy it. Follow me. Hi guys. Please do enjoy.
Thank you.